Hello everyone, my name is Talon McChesney and this is my presentation on the role of policy and law in today's society as it pertains to healthcare in general. In our reading, it indicated there is no single definition for policy as it pertains to healthcare. In summation, policy is intended to guide actions, not mandate behaviors in a legal sense. Law, on the other hand, are essentially policies that have been taken to the next level of enforcement regarding actions and behaviors. This is a critical distinction. While both policy and law address and direct behaviors, the process for each is vastly different. Policies drive bills, bills are voted into law or struck down, laws are enforced with the threat of judicial process. As with any good idea, there are always problems. With both policies and laws, the process is complicated. Both have a tendency to be created to benefit the creator, not always the audience. When different worldviews are at play, it can get messy. Although it may be complicated and at times messy, policies and laws are necessary to deter chaos. This process of creating policies and laws is just as important as the outcome. Ongoing monitoring must occur throughout this entire process. In summation, it is important to remember that healthcare is highly regulated. Policies and laws guide behaviors toward a common goal of unity in vision and support of the organization's missions and values and goals. This concludes my video presentation. I have just one reference here, which is our text for this course. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you learned a little something from my presentation. I know I sure did. God bless y'all and happy Father's Day.